Hello everyone. The topic of my presentation is chemicals used in plant protection. So first of all, let us start with the introduction of the topic. Our country, India, is the world's second largest nation with a population of 1.3 billion, which is approximately 18% of the total population. The rising population has led to the increase in food demand. So, in order to fulfill the changing needs of the nation, all the stakeholders, the government, the farmers, and the agrochemical industry has collectively participated. Against this background of lower yield and decrease in farm size, chemicals such as pesticides has helped us to bear these critical challenges. Chemicals, generally known as pesticides, are used to kill insects, pests, animals, weeds, and to combat diseases. There are two types of pesticides. First, biopesticides, which are organic, and second is chemical pesticides, which are made in factories. Where biopesticides are eco-friendly and relatively cheaper, on the other hand, chemical pesticides are expensive and causes serious pollution to the environment. Pesticides are further classified into herbicides, insecticides, fungicides, and rodenticides, etc., on the basis of the group they target. Now, you all must be thinking that how do farmers uses these pesticides? So let me clear your doubt. So the first method and the most commonly used method is dusting, which is frequently used, and the other one is spraying. Dusting method is considered as less efficient than spraying because of its low condition of dust and due to the fact that spraying is costly. So the farmer preferred to use dusting method over spraying for applying pesticides to the plant. Now more of the information could be extracted from the displayed picture. Let us now examine the precautions that a farmer should take while handling pesticides. One of the most prominent precaution is that the farmer should always take is this: he or she should wash his hands and clothes with clean water and soap after applying pesticides to the plant. Also, he should not eat, drink, smoke or chew during whole operation of pesticide. Moreover, he or she should not enter the treated field immediately after spraying. Last but not the least, one should always visit doctor on observing poisonous symptoms and should not take the risk, as it may endanger the life of the patient. Now, let us have a look on the pesticide consumption of India. So, Maharashtra has consumed the most pesticide over the last 5 years. Also, it has increased its consumption between 35.6% between 2014-15 and 2018-19, followed by UP. Around the world, approximately 2 million tons of the pesticides are utilized and the China is the most contributing country, followed by USA and Argentina. More information could be extracted from the graph. Since the consumption of pesticides around the world is indiscriminate and judicious, because of which the agriculture has shown many adverse effects, such as ecological imbalance, pollution, and many health hazards. So the government of India has adopted the Integrated Pest Management or IPM for its better regulation. The impact of IPM has been positive. Talking about our country, India, the crop that requires high pesticide quantities are paddy, vegetable, etc. Last but not the least, let us discuss about the disadvantages that it's caused by using pesticide. One of the most adverse effect of pesticide is that it causes environmental pollution, decrease in soil quality, contamination of groundwater. Also, it leads to many health hazards such as cancer, lungs diseases, poisoning, etc. Since every coin has two faces, so is this with the pesticide. It has many advantages, but its disadvantages cannot be left. So I urge everyone to work on alternatives shown in the picture for ecological balance and betterment of human. Thank you.